La, careful ka lang. Nagpait ko, babe, ni.
Ang gwapo ko lang yan. No, don't hold. Just walk.
Careful lang, ah.
And
If you fall, you swim, okay?
no,
Naa.
if you fall, cut some tilapia.
No, you can do it. I believe in you. Just make sure you balance and then you hold to the rails. Okay, go.
No problem. You will not die anyway. You just fall. Okay, go.
There's dogs.
No problem, only dogs.
I want to buy no more space and they let me fall.
Dogs first.
Dogs first. Let the dog come in.
Paunahin mga ragito aso.